Hello everyone. How's it going? How are you? I wish that you all are doing well. Nice to see you all. And I really mean this. Hello, Maxi. Hello, Phased Out Electrical. I wish that you all are doing well. What is my expectation for today? Well, I'm going to begin in 2 minutes. I will do a small analysis. I can't be something else except of bullish on NQ, my beloved friends. I don't know what your opinion is. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Help me a little bit. Tell me if the music is too loud. It will help me a lot. If you are hearing, of course, any music, I'm trying my best. Hello, Kosh. Hello, Aaron King. Morning, I see the bearish bias for sure. Not sure I'm comfortable taking a short though. Just a bullish high time from order flow is so strong. Well, based on you all know my ICT knowledge and in general the easy way that I say the triangle, what we have seen that the triangle over here has formed. So this means that we expect, of course, a pullback. Good morning, Christy. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Well, from what I'm seeing, the triangle has already formed. So this means that I'm expecting a pullback. In order for me, although, to search for my shorts, I would like to see this 1 hour inverted value gap to be broken. Good morning, Christy. Good morning. Good morning, Mentsevicius. Good day. Hello, Muravko. Aaron King says agreed, higher time frame order flow is so strong. Yes, I agree. Of course, we can't go against the higher time frame. A really good scenario that I would like to see, my beloved friends, on NQ will be, of course, price to come back to this inverted fair value gap and either trade a really nice continuation and create a new all-time high. This is one scenario that I'm searching. Of course, the other scenario is that if I have the break of this 1 hour inverted fair value gap, my friends, I would really love to see price to go lower. And of course, we are going to mark even lower prices. Many liquidity. Look how much internal range liquidity we have at this leg. Okay, so this means that we must be patient at least in the beginning, of course. This is my, in general, idea what I'm expecting to see. Of course, if you want me to look any other pair, it would be my pleasure. Something that I would like to tell you, of course, especially the members that are part of TTF, of course, know. Don't forget the amazing program that we have here in TTF, the Earn As You Learn program, that is amazing. Why? Because it gives us the huge opportunity, my beloved friends, to be able to earn as we are going through the educational program in TTF. So don't lose this opportunity. Maxi says he loves my idea. I'm really happy for that. Muravko says, please check Euro USD. Of course, my beloved friend. Why not? Why not? We always begin our analysis, my friend Muravko, from the higher time frames. What we will also see over here, what happened, price has taken this high, has already created the triangle. So what am I seeing currently? I'm seeing that price, look, from this leg, we have a huge inverted fair value gap at this point where price is holding resistance. So what am I expecting from price? Let me fix this because I didn't fix it. Of course, you saw it vanished when I pushed the button. Text. This is a daily inverted fair value gap. Yes. Okay. Now, as we all see in the daily time frame, price is creating resistance at this level. Until this level is not broken, I'm of course bullish. What am I expecting? I'm expecting price to come even higher, react from this level, and take this high. But as you see, today we are bearish. We have bearish price action. Let's take a look also at the 1 hour. What are we seeing in the 1 hour? We are identifying with the first sight that price is creating lower lows and lower highs. So this means directly here we have a change of character, a 1 hour change of character. Okay. 1 hour change of character. So here we have a clear break of structure at this point, pushing price even lower. And what does this also mean for all of us? It means that we have a bearish order flow in the 1 hour. So the ideal scenario that I would expect to see, my friend Safko, would be price to start change character and search a continuation from this so we can go to our overall daily bias. This is what I'm expecting to see. This is what the scenario that I would like to see play out. Currently, price is creating lower lows. Of course, the expectation at this point is price to create a new lower low and take this low. So the sell side at this point is valid. But what we are seeing currently, we are seeing that price is at this bullish 1 hour bullish order block or 1 hour demand or whatever you want to call it. The ideal is that we will see that price is going to pull back, come to the equilibrium of this leg and continue lower. This is the expectation that from what we are seeing currently from price action. Okay, if price although breaks this region over here, this area over here, then for sure I'm going to search the first trading idea. Don't forget, my beloved friends, that everything that we are saying over here is for educational purposes only, and any trading decisions that you're going to make are exclusively on your responsibility, my beloved friends. Let's go back to NQ because the markets have officially opened, and the members that know me, of course, from the community know the concepts that I love, DRIDR, in alignment, of course, always with my higher time frame analysis. We don't forget the higher time frame analysis. Of course, we are above Asia. We are completely bullish. But I'm careful because don't forget we created an all-time high again. I don't have any low hanging fruit from the upper side. So I'm expecting a deeper pullback from price, that price will come deeper. So we are patient. Kochacha, I'm here to wreck the Nasdaq. I wish that you are going to wreck it, my beloved friend. I hope that you will do it. We see that price already reacted from this 1 hour inverted fair value gap. Let's go down. And we are going to enable, of course, our easy exit indicator, the amazing indicator that we provide here in TTF with the magical zones. It has many uses. I'm currently using it so you can draw me these zones that are used as support or as resistance. The ideal scenario will be at this point to see price come, create support of this zone, and in alignment, of course, with another amazing indicator that we have here at TTF, Happy Trail, to give us a really nice confluence that price is going to go even higher. Pickles, nice to see you, mate. Nice to see you. How are you? How's it going? No time no see, mate. How are you? I'm really happy to see you, mate. Nice to see you, really. And we never forget our amazing espresso along with the market opening. Oh, what happened here? We are having a really nice Happy Trail print. But it's going on hard. Look what we exactly marked previously. Look what exactly what is happening in front of our eyes. Look. Of course, we are always patient. Remember that what I said, that everything that we are talking about over here are for educational purposes only. Any trading decisions, my friends, that you're going to take are exclusively on your responsibility. Okay, we had a print. The only thing that I don't like is that we are very near. We are very close to the opening. I'm seeing, although, that price is holding this J zone, as I love to call it. I love to call it a J zone. It is a J zone in my eyes because he is the creator of the idea of it. The hidden sauce, the holy grail, is behind these zones, my beloved friends. And as you all saw from the upper side and the banners that are moving, we are expecting strategy wars soon, my beloved friends. Strategy wars are coming. I'm so excited for them. It's one of my favorite competitions. I have participated in all of them. Pickle says, very well, thanks. Hope TTF community is all well. We are doing amazing, my beloved friend. We miss you. It will be our pleasure to see you again. I hope that I'm very happy that you are doing very well. We have this amazing program now, Pickles, the Earn as You Learn program. It is able to help especially the new traders that are going through their educational content. And you all know that when you are learning, it is very hard. You have many struggles, especially when you are testing many strategies, backtesting all the time. Now you have the opportunity to be able to earn as you are learning. Very important. Well, you know something? I'm going to take this trade. I'm going to take this trade. And I'm going to cover, of course, the magnificent J zone. I like that price is consolidating over here. Of course, if it goes against us, it is what it is. This is what happens. We are trusting what the zones are capable of doing, trusting the multiple rejections of it in combination with a Happy Trail signal. I hope that it will be able to help us. The only thing that fears me is that we are really near the opening. I would like at least 5 minutes more after 15 minutes after the opening, but we'll see what will happen. Glenn asks which team you will be in. To be honest, my friend, I haven't decided yet. I have been involving with all of them. I don't really know, my friend. I don't really know. This is the truth. I don't really know. It's quite difficult for me to go against my team Fractal Frenzy. It's really hard for me, but you know, I love really much also DeLorean. Oh, we have a spoiler from our beloved Christy saying that Strategy Wars will be different this season. We are running it as a profit league, and all styles and strats are welcome to compete. This is a team aspect, but more individual than prior. I love it. I love it. I love the concept. And you got your spoiler, my friends. You got your spoiler. Yes, that's really interesting, Maxi. I also agree with you. Despite the fact that any strategy that anyone is using, he will be able to just win by profiting. Amazing, amazing. Despite the fact of any concept or any strategy that he's using. Well, the zone is holding. Yeah, Glenn, I agree. That's a game changer for sure. I also agree, my friend. I also agree. It is a game changer. So fair value gaps are allowed, says Christy. I love it. I love it, Christy. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Maxi says, when are you trading ICT? Well, I'm kind of trading already ICT. Or you're talking to Christy. I believe you're talking to Christy. Not me. Because I'm already trading, you see. I did the market maker model over there. Named it a try. Oh, we were stopped. It's okay. It is what it is. As I said, I would prefer price to be more after opening, after 1 15-minute after opening. Although the J zone is still holding, maybe the stop loss placement wasn't so good. I could, of course, be more passive in this trade. But we made a decision and we are following the decision that we made. We don't shoulda, woulda, coulda all the time that I see many times that if I did this, if I did that. No, you made the decision. You either profited from your decision, so you accept it. You see what I said before I see this happen? If I was more passive, it would be much more better and the trade, I would still be in the trade at least. Maxi says, I want to see you both in Team ICT. Okay. Else I will be the only one in there. No, you're not the only one. You know very well that I use a lot of ICT concepts in my daily trading. Christy says, Maxi, don't hold your breath. I'm a breakout trader for life. Yeah. And she's the best trader I know, my beloved friends. And I mean this truly. She's the best trader I personally know. We are newbies in front of Christy. We are newbies. She has every day the magical wand. The magical wand, yeah. Sorry for that. Oh, hello Ashley, how are you? Nice to see you. Yes. She has, I don't know how she does it, but it really has the magic. She knows what the markets exactly are going to do. I don't know what's going on. She's ranked 1 out of 1 on my big leaderboard, says JSav. How are you, Jay? Nice to see you. Yeah. My leaderboard too. She's the best one. No, you are awesome. And I mean this. Hello, Ken. Nice to see you also. It is really, I'm honored to be part of this community, and I mean it. Thank you, Christy. Thanks, Jay. Thank you, everyone, for giving me the opportunity to be able, of course, to express myself and to be able publicly to help as much as I can. It means a lot for me. Thank you so much. Thank you. Aaron says, hi Alex, want to get your opinion on the unicorn entry model. I'm trying not rely on indicators. Just wanted your opinion. Aaron, my friend, the unicorn model, and more specifically the breaker block, is one of the most important concepts, entry models in my book. It has a lot of logic behind it. And when I mean logic, I mean that if you look it even from a PA aspect, even from an ICT or from supply and demand, you will see how powerful it is. Why? Because we see in a candlestick chart how sellers change from buyers. That's why I have also went through, if you are part of our community, because if you are, I don't recognize your name in YouTube. Don't forget, if you are part of our community, to go and see my PA 2025 strategy and see the entry models that I represented in the latest strategy that I launched. And you will see that I use the breaker block method that is the most powerful, the unicorn, as ICT calls it. It's the most powerful. Not seeing so much, but the magical zone from Jay, my friends, is still holding. I'm not so amazed from what I'm seeing. As I said, if I was more passive, I would still be in the trade. I probably did a mistake over here. But it's okay. Okay. Oh, yes, I'm looking through it currently. It's awesome. Perfect, my friend. I hope that you find value. Of course, for anyone that is not in our community, it's a huge opportunity, my friends, for you to join, of course. As you all see, we are a very supportive Discord community. We have a very supportive Discord community. We have multiple strategies, multiple indicators that can help from the beginner, from the intermediate and the most experienced traders to have many tools in order to success in the markets, my beloved friends. Feel free, of course, to join our community. And of course, for the most newer members, never forget the Earn As You Learn program that in my eyes is a huge opportunity. Me, Bear, and of course Jay, we also give our trade ideas in the Trade Lab that you can see a more a whole analysis on the trade ideas that can help you even more in how you're going to execute. Sorry, I'm having this cough for about 1.5 months now. It's not leaving me alone. I have taken so much medication, but it's still there, unfortunately. Sure, Aaron King says, sure, I've been searching a fair bit and I can see how powerful it is. In terms of stop loss, is the swing low the best placement? Yes, I believe it is the best placement. In general, it is one of the most passive ICT entry models, to be honest. And in general, the swing low is the most safest. If you want to be a little bit more aggressive, for here, for example, because here we had a unicorn. Okay, this is our breaker block. Let me disable a little bit the zones. Look, this is a breaker block. Look what do we have underneath it. We have a fair value gap over here. So the best you should have done was, if you enter, of course, at the breaker block, at this unicorn model, of course, to cover the low, or if you want to be more aggressive, you could have covered the fair value gap that you would have been stopped out, of course. Especially near the opening, we want to be even more passive. Okay. Hi Alex, nice to see you here, and Christy J2, nice to see you. Mary, welcome, nice to see you, really. Assers, it's too hard to not say, just put some Windex on it. From the how's the I can't remember the name, the English name of the movie. My Greek weird family. Yeah. I know. I want to put on the title the Greek freak, the Greek trading freak live stream, but at the last minute I just put it simple live trading. Perfect. Thanks for your help. I really appreciate it. You're welcome, Aaron. You're welcome. Oh yeah, my big fat Greek wedding. Yeah. Exactly. Glenn, of all the TTF strategies, is there one best suited for breakout strategies? It's been a while since I ran through the courses. Well, if you are searching for a 100% breakout strategy, Christie's strategy on Fractal Frenzy and Happy Trail are the best in my eyes. That you can find them, of course, in the educational center if you are part, of course, because you are part of the community. Another more hybrid is my way of trading Fractal Frenzy. It's more hybrid with more details in the entry. But at the end of the day, I believe that Christie's way is the most simple, and I believe the most suitable for many traders, because many traders are not able to trade the lower time frames. This is the reality. And Christie gives a much better perspective of it. Yes, okay, thanks Christy. Christy strategy for breakout trading. Look at any of your video markups in testimonies. Yes, Assers, I agree. She's, as we said above, the number one trader in our eyes and our leaderboard, in our personal leaderboard. Everyone would like to be like Christy. Well, NQ is playing with us a little bit, to be honest. Let's take a look at gold also. What is gold doing, huh? Look where price reacted one more time, my friends. From the magical J zones, the zones from Easy Exit Indicator. Amazing. Look, from nowhere it created support and price went sky high from there. And it's a really good example how you can create a simple trading idea based on a simple break, retest, and go. if we go, for example, to the 5-minute, look, I was sure we had a really nice happy trail signal. Look, perfect. 1.7, 1 to 2, done for the day. Happy days. Happy days. You see how amazing it can be with just 2 simple things. I can't stop saying this all the time. We don't need all this mumbo jumbo. We don't need all these terminologies, all this. I don't want to express myself. Sorry. Don't forget, the boss is watching me. That's why I'm not going to express myself. Look, 2 simple things, 2 simple indicators. Look what job they can do. Okay. And yes, of course, Price has decided to explode without me. Thank you very much, Price. Thank you. Thank you in my first public live stream, making me, humiliating me with such a short stop loss. Thank you. Thank you. Sweet thinks, okay, that was a message for Christy. Maxi says, look at the 4-hour charts, weekly cycle. It makes sense that today is choppy. Should be the weekly accumulation. Yes, I agree. Thank you, Christy. I know that you believe in the freedom of speech. Go for it. Thank you so much for that. But of course, we are in public YouTube. I would never express what I truly wanted to say. Sweet, thanks for the info. I'll make it happen. Perfect. Well, let me make an observation over here. What we are seeing. Perfect rejection of this magical zone after perfect multiple rejection of this other zone from nowhere. What can I say? The only thing that I can say, whoever wants to have these magical zones, don't forget to join our amazing community with so many kind members and really supportive. Anytime that you're going to ask for any information, you will find it. You will find an answer in any question that you might have. Amazing. Save it for the community lives. That's what I'm doing. I'm not giving out the secret sauce, my friends. The secret sauce. Amazing. Of course, if anyone wants the secret sauce, you know where you're going to find us. We also make, my friends, every week we have a weekly schedule, and inside we have private live streams where we go through analysis on the Earn As You Learn program from me, from Bear, from Jeremy, from Lemons. We all go through the trade ideas from Earn As You Learn. We go in depth and we explain how the indicators work. But of course, this happens in our private community live streams. That, of course, if you want to join, you will find the link from the downside in the description, I believe. Is it in the description? I don't know. Did I set description? Maybe, boss, I made a mistake and I didn't set a description. I believe. I don't know. I can't remember. I thought it would be automatically, to be honest. But it's okay. We are here to, of course, answer whatever everyone wants. Look. It is, sometimes it can be really special. Oh, it's there. Perfect. Jay, thanks for confirming. It's there. You will find the link, of course, in the description. And my friends, if you want to support us and for what? Oh, okay. To support us, don't forget to hit the like. Whoever is not part of the community, subscribe. Press the link, go see us, what we are doing. You will find us occasionally here in YouTube. We'll try to be as much we can, doing these lives, helping as much as we can. Oh, perfect. Yes, I can pop links in here, says Christy. Yes, of course. Hit the links. Where to join. Well, it's playing with us, to be honest. Look what it's doing. It's quite... Look in the 5 minute. Oh, what do we have over here? Mr. J, what you have done over here, mate? Please. Please, what you have done? Is this magic? What is this? What is this? You're seeing by yourself. Until now, until I saw Easy Exit, I believe that I had the Holy Grail, but from what I'm seeing, the Holy Grail is in the zones. Let's see what's going on in the higher time frame. As I said, this 1 hour inventory fair value gap is keeping me away from shorting. I can't go against my bias. My bias until now, and not only based on the triangles and the market maker models, but also based on my beloved DRIDR concepts, I can't go short, unfortunately. But I can't wait to see how price is going again to react at this 1 hour fair value gap. JSav says it's not magic, it's astrology. I'm sure that it is astrology. Full moon in effect for Easy Exit. Yeah. It goes based on the full moon, the combinations and the calculations from Jay that only he knows how they print. Only he knows. Only he knows. Sorry for that one more time. Sorry for that. Okay. This is live trading, my beloved friends. We are patiently waiting for price to align. This is what we do. We wait. And we wait again. Now it's becoming a little bit more interesting. I would like to see how price is going to react over here. Jay says, I blacked out when doing it, so technically I don't know either, but yeah, we can pretend. Of course. Okay. Well, you know, I'm putting a little bit sauce upon it, you know how. I know, despite this fact, I don't know what you were thinking about when you did it, but really, you have done an amazing job. I really mean this. A really amazing job. These zones are really very good. And we also done many live streams with Mr. Bear. That is my very good friend over here at TTF, and also one of the staff of TTF. That is our number one chat Bear GPT here in TTF. He has an answer for everything, my friends, really. It's unbelievable. We all love him so much. He's all the time for us. 24 hours a day. He really never sleeps. And I don't know what we would do without him. Okay, what am I expecting to see? I don't like that price did, of course, this lower low. I won't lie to you. But I am really expecting this reaction from this inverted fair value gap. Yes, this is okay. I like this reaction. I really like this reaction. I will use my second bullet, my friends, if, of course, we have a break again above this zone and a happy trail, and I promise I will be more passive this time. I mean this. I really mean that I promise that I'm going to be passive this time. I promise. An answer and a meme. Yeah, Ashley, completely. He always answers, and after that he goes for a meme. I like this a lot. Yeah, I like it too. Why? Because if we have a shift here, we have also taken liquidity from this low. It can be a really nice opportunity for price to go even higher. Thomas, no, he's not going anywhere, my friend. No, of course he's not. Of course not. We were expressing how much we love him. Because we love him. He's one of our best friends over here. No, he's not going anywhere. I promise that. He's not going anywhere. Okay. We also had this small fair value gap that has been inverted over here. Yes. Inverted fair value gap. Perfect. Creating support for price. And oh no, it's 10:08 the next minute. The 369 mambo jumbo, and what I'm going to reveal now is the most come on, guys, come on, please don't fall for this when you see these things around YouTube. Okay, time is very important for price, but it's not everything. Okay, many successful traders like Christie and many other with multiple 6 and 7 figures accounts don't do this kind of stuff. Don't fall for them, please. Okay, Mr. Happy Trail, please can you print something? Please. Well, yes, Maxi, it's true. It's true, my friend, it's true. Well, they're doing anything, and I mean this, they're doing anything. No hard feelings, of course, and everyone is free to do whatever they want, but really, you're doing everything to sell. First of all, most of the traders that are part of those communities their biggest problem is self-sabotage and not the trading plan. Their biggest problem is self-sabotage. Trust me, and I mean this. This is what I have seen over multiple years. There's no problem in any plan. The biggest problem is us not being able to execute. And I mean this. I can't blame anyone previously because I was so tight in my stop loss that I put over here my stop loss. I can't blame anyone. Do you understand what I mean? It's no one's fault. It's not Happy Trail's fault. It's not EasyX's fault. It's my fault. Completely. Okay, price is going to fly without me. as I'm seeing. It is what it is, of course. We can do anything upon it. My rule at this point says that I want to see my print of Happy Trail, so I'm going to wait for the print of Happy Trail. This means I follow my rules. I hope, my friends, that you are enjoying the live stream until now. I'm trying my best to be honest with all of you. It's something new for me also, trust me, being out in public, but I hope that you're enjoying it. And I mean this. Okay, let's see what we are going to have over here. And this is a breaker block, let's call it, because the same thing, we have different names. I believe that, Maxi, if I'm correct, this is a mitigation block. If I'm correct, can you correct me? I'm not sure. But this is, in my eyes, a unicorn model. This is a shift. What is this also? Magically, my friends, this can be an inverted head and shoulders. That's why I'm saying that I really love this entry method. Why? Because it is purely structured and created from true price action. That's why. Okay. Okay. Price is returning, retesting again the breaker block, the J zone. I would really like a print over here, to be honest. So we can be part, of course, of this move. Let's see what we are going to see. Are you still here, my friends? Where are you? Why aren't you being active? Let's make it interactive, my friends. We are here to trade all together. Okay. Perfect. Let's go. My chat is probably broken. Okay, Glenn. I thought you left. Hello, Arnold. Nice to see you, mate. Nice to see you. Nice to see you, mates. I know that the crazy guy from Greece has a really bad cough. It's really annoying. I promise the next time I'm going to close my microphone, so it's not so annoying. Okay. Aaron King says, I like the look of this unicorn, but the TP one is so close that the RR is not good. Okay, I won't disagree with you, my friend, but you know something? The low-hanging fruit can be for sure so near, but trust me, no one says that we can't go higher. Okay, so this means that really, I believe that if we are going to break this high, we will probably go even more higher. So I mean this. if it plays out, of course you can take your setup. If of course it ticks one by one all your rules, if all your rules are met. Thinks of skipping it. I think, okay, took one loss and I'm done for the day. I hate this PA. Unfortunately, Maxi, it's really, really bad. I also took a loss, as you saw. Okay, it is what it is. I'm not going also to force anything. To be honest, I don't like what I'm seeing. If I go outside the 5 minute, we will see that what we are seeing is crap. Okay, and because I personally tell to all of you, especially in our personal live streams, in our private live streams, trust your eyes, my friends. And of course, our eyes are saying to us, don't trade, of course. Astrid says, yeah, it's not annoying, the cough. Oh, thanks, Christy, also. Thank you, Astrid. Thank you, Christy. You know, sometimes if I want to cough, I believe that it will be too loud in the microphone. That's why I said that it will probably be annoying. I'm talking on chips way worse. Okay. I wish that you will be good very quickly. Aaron King, very, very true. I could use TP1 as a break-even level. Of course. Because, my friend, also from a previous community that I was part of, especially on the indices that we had all the time for the last at least 7 years, prices going from all-time high to all-time high. On NQ, you can go, the targets can go from 500 points above. So what do I mean by that? So when we broke the 25,000, your next liquidity, for example, can be 25,500. Or you can go from 100 and 100 points. So what do I mean? That if price is over here at 275, our next target can be 25,300. This is what I mean. Because an all-time high is an all-time high. We don't have anything from the left for us to play with. So you can play with the round numbers, the psychological levels. That is an ancient concept. Of course, it's an ancient concept. And it's been used for many, many, many years. So we can trust the old school concepts that are very, very powerful also. Don't forget, my friends, if anyone wants me to go through another pair to look at, to say my opinion, of course, shoot it up. We can go and look it because, as you see, NQ is doing nothing. Also, for any viewers that are not part of TTF, go take a look at our website. You will find the link in the description. Go and take a look at the Earn As You Learn program. It is an amazing opportunity for any new traders to be able to learn to earn as you're learning via trade ideas that are very, very important. Why? Because they can give us a direction towards where we want the markets to go. And it is very important, even if you are able to pay your subscriptions from TradingView, from TTF, from everywhere, and to be as focused as you can on your learning curve. The only thing we have is numbers. Yes, perfect. Exactly, my friend Maxi. I'm done for today. Have a great rest of your day, my friend, and see you in the next stream. Nice to see you, Maxi. Thanks for joining, mate. It really means a lot for me. Thank you so much for seeing you. I'm so happy that you joined, my friend. Thank you so much. I agree, it's choppy market today on smaller time frame. Yes, exactly. I don't like the 15-minute all either. Neither. But it is bad. Let me disable this so it doesn't annoy us. Yes, yes. Okay. You see how price is rejecting, but we are not exploding high. As I said, the expectation that we must have is because the triangle formed, the market maker buy model has been completed. What we must expect price to pull back at least. Let me draw over here my premium and discount, at least to the equilibrium of this leg. At least. And where is exactly the equilibrium? The equilibrium is exactly at this 1 hour fair value gap, inverted fair value gap. So I won't be surprised if price pulls back a little bit and rejects this level finally and goes for a new high. To say that it's worth your money is the biggest understatement. Yes, exactly. Exactly, Ashley, exactly. Okay, let's take a look at Euro USD and see what's going on. It's still in this 1 hour demand bullish order block. Let's take a look at GU also. What is GU doing? I don't have GU. Oh, GU is much more aggressive. Same picture though. But look what happened. Price broke the J zone. Really nice that price is retracing. I would really love to see price come back at this J zone and go even lower after that, taking this low again. Really nice trading idea over here. I like it. I really like it, to be honest. Let's see. Take a look on gold again. Retracing after the TP. 5-minute entry. This is how I exactly love to see how things can go. How things can play out. Exactly. I love when I see this tick to tick play out. I love it. Broke this breaker, broke this inverted fair value gap, making it invalid. But look how important it is, my friends. What I say all the time, how important it is to be able to add an extra confluence. And what was our confluence over here? Our happy trail print. If we were trading pure price action, we would for sure be in this trade and we would probably have been stopped out. This is why adding especially confluences like the very good indicators from TTF that adds an even more mechanical confluence, because remember that an indicator is a mathematical how can I say it? It is a mathematical There is a word. I can't remember. It is a mathematical solution. Okay, how can I say it? Solution. We will say it a solution. Sorry for my bad English. Although I was born in the States, my friends, this is a reality. After so many years living in Greece, I have forgot my most of my English. Tool, yeah, mathematical tool. We can call it a tool, yeah. Although it is, I believe, the correct word is a mathematical accusation. Accusation. Yeah. So what I meant is that an indicator prints when all the criteria meet. When all the criteria meet, and it prints the same time when the same criteria are met. So it gives a more mechanical entry, except of the confluence that it can give us. Yeah, I think I'm going to hop off here. Thanks so much for the help. We'll see you on the next stream. Good stuff today, Alex. I'm very, very happy that you found value, my friend Aaron. Thank you so much for coming here. It was my pleasure. We are going to spend a little more time, of course. I'm really enjoying that we are able to trade all together. And I mean this. I really, really like it. I'm going to stay a little bit. Much more, to be honest. I don't have anything better to do. I'm really enjoying it. So, broke it again. I would really like to see what really is going on. And we see a drop off. It was about time. Where is price going? It is going to the equilibrium. Let's see if some action is going to happen now. Let's see. Let's see if we're going to have any action. We didn't have here a fair value gap to break. The first fair value gap is this big one over here. As you all know, the 1 hour time frame is very, very important for my analysis in general. A long time now. I love the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what DR is doing. We have 2 more minutes for it to form. It's probably going to form berries. And how do we remember how it will be berries? Because the opening price, this straight green line, will be above the red line that will be the closer. So this means that we have very, very high probabilities that we're going to have a bearish confirmation. Okay. Interesting stuff now. Where did price react one more time? Look. Really? Really, my friends, really? Really? You are doing this, really? It doesn't matter at the end of the day if it holds. Look what you are seeing in front of your eyes. This is a really important area for price. Why? Because you see it reacts to it. So this means that either you are able to make huge decisions upon these levels. And many of you that have watched my latest strategy, you know how I have been using them and how important they are even for my latest strategy. And whoever wants to know, of course, my latest strategy, feel free to press down in the description the link to join, of course, our community. You will find, not because I'm also part of this community, but you will find huge value, so much education, so much good stuff over there. You won't believe really how much value there is in one place, and I mean this. And as I said, not because I'm part of this community, but it's because I trust my eyes. I trust from what I'm seeing and how many members are gaining value from it, how many traders were able to be successful. So many examples, so many examples. So many examples. Okay. The magical zone from Jay did one more time its job. Let's see how the 5 minute is looking. I like even more that it went down, to be honest with you guys, because it can give us even more room and set some targets over here. But we must be patient, my friends. For sure, we must be patient. I can't find, where did you say it was again? Go and check. I posted it today, Glenn, in the Earn As You Learn General. You will find it over there. I posted all the videos. Of course, don't forget to go and see, firstly, the logic from Jay, that he has done an amazing video upon the whole indicator, and then go and watch mine and how I use them. Okay, my friend. Okay. Very nice. Oh, you were looking here. Yes. No, here in YouTube, you will find my IDR videos. That, of course, are really important in my trading journey. Also, whoever wants to find in depth about my strategy, all my strategies, of course, they can join in the trading floor. Find Christie's, Jay's, Bears, and all the other members, how they trade, the stuff. Huge value in such a small price, my friends. And this is the reality. Go and check out the description. I like this rejection. I won't lie to you. I really like it. Of course, I won't like if we have a print over here. I would like to see the print again above the zone. I will take my risk that price might react from this one. But this is what I would like to see. Price come over here and take the risk of this one, and either break it and create a new higher high. This is what I'm expecting. Let's take a look at DXY. We didn't take a look at DXY. Big fault, to be honest. Big fault of us. Okay. Dollar is being much more stronger. What do we see over here? Price has created a change of character over here. And what is price doing is trying to make over here a new internal high, internal break of structure, excuse me. And now that you know me and how I think, what is this, my friends? This is a triangle. That's why this is my target. So I believe that overall DXY will be bullish. I'm also seeing over here that price is holding from this, look, this very big breaker block, broke it, it held it over here. Okay, I'm never going to fix these things. It's my mistake. I promise that I will be even more prepared next time, so we don't have these things. Look what price is doing. Price broke it, respected it, changed character over here. Price found support also at this bullish fair value gap. So for me, clearly the order flow is bullish in the DXY. Let's make it green. So what does this mean? This means, my friends, that because DXY is bullish, this means that all the pairs against the dollar will be overall bearish. Be aware for Euro USD, GU. It is really good for other pairs. In general, be careful. The prediction based on this is that the pairs against the dollar will be bearish. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting price to create over here, take this high, of course, and go overall for this high. All this, look how much liquidity we have over here. And the only obstacle that price might have is this bearish fair value gap over here. But in general, for me, DXY is bullish. In my books, it means a lot. Oh, price fell from here. Remember what I told you previously about the... Can everyone see me? Are we okay? Okay. Am I still up? I believe we had a small disconnection previously. Okay, I was saying... Okay, perfect. We had a small disconnection. Okay, perfect. What I was saying previously, that if anyone remembers, that based on the opening price and the closing price of DR that closed 80 minutes previously, we have a huge probability, because the opening price was above, that we're going to have short price action, and now we are having bearish confirmation. Unfortunately, you all know the basic trading plan. This means that for New York, we will be officially bearish. But you all know that I love multi-time frame analysis, even though price will confirm bearish on the DRIDR, even though I know how powerful the DRIDR statistic is, I can't go against the 1 hour order flow that I'm still bullish. I'm still bullish. Why? Because we haven't broken with the body this 1 hour inverted fair value gap. And also price is above my Asian DR. So for me, based on DR, for sure is a no trading session. If I was trading exclusively the basic trading plan, it would be a really nice opportunity for me to take a short at this point, after, of course, the retest of my DR levels. Perfect. Price has returned. And let's be a Fractal Frenzy friend. We had a confirmation. Price has returned. Let's see what will happen. Let's see what will happen. I hope that we don't have any connection problems now. Okay. Okay. I hope that it's going well. Perfect. Can anyone please help me if we are still, if everything is going okay, I mean. Okay. Mm-hmm. Cost 23 says it filled 2 hour, 3 hour, and 4 hour gaps and reacted from golden fib zone. Golden fib zone. Mm-hmm. From this leg, my friend. Mm-hmm. You're right. You are right, my friends. My friends. Although I don't see, you mean the fair value gaps. Oh, Bert, it's all good. Thank you. Thank you, my friend. Where are you? Where are you, my beloved friend Bear? I missed you, my friend. Where are you? I'm so happy that you were able to join. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for joining. This is our magnificent bear that I was talking about previously. He's everywhere for us. Thank you so much, my friend. Okay, yes, I really agree with your idea, Cos 23. I truly agree. I 100% agree, but now DR is making me think a little bit. Who knows if I'm trading the basic trading plan. If I saw over here a Fractal Frenzy, another very good breakout trading indicator that we have here at TTF, of course, that in combination with the concepts, you can do very powerful things in your trading plan. Of course, if you are disciplined. I'm just been lurking. Okay, mate. Nice to see you, really. I'm happy that you are around. Although I agree with you, Kos, and really it can react from here, but as I told you, based on the DR concepts, I must be bearish for the end of the session. And if we have over here the break also, if this 1 hour fair value gap, we will for sure continue lower. And believe me, my target can be the Asian low. Even the Asian low. But I'm not greedy. And I mean this, I'm not greedy, so I will go down. I will take my 1.5 to 2 RR and go away. It has been a little bit confusing today, to be honest. I would like to have a much better PA, so we could create even more content. Now the only content that we shared with all of you was a loss, but part of trading. We all know. Yeah, it depends on reaction. Yes, exactly, my friend. I agree with you. Well, we all knew that we taken the previous all-time high. I expected, to be honest with you, from the beginning of the opening that price will go even lower. It needed to pull back, and this is what happened eventually. This is the reality. The only thing that we can do now is just wait. I was scared that my internet connection died again. I was scared for a moment. I'm still waiting from my internet provider to send me the new router. They never send it to me. I'm still waiting. Okay, price went to the equilibrium of this leg, as we talked about previously. It is for sure in the golden zone. Let me draw a standard deviation level to see how much room we have for the high probability. Oh, we went already to the 0.5. We only have the one standard deviation. Okay. You know something, Kosh? I believe that you are probably right, because the highest probability standard deviation has been filled. We have also the one standard deviation down here, but we might see a reaction now that I'm thinking it. Okay, let's be patient. Let's be patient and wait to see what will happen. Oh, sorry. Okay. How is everyone's trading has been so far in these quite weird circumstances today for price? I would really enjoy if we had better price action, but we don't. How was everyone's trading for now, until now? Mine has doesn't have gone so good until now. And for everyone that is in the live stream, I'm going to make a really nice zero to hero challenge with all of you. I'm preparing for my next live stream, and I will purchase a new account, and we're going to pass it all together. We are going to journal all the trades with our amazing journal that we provide to all our members. In front of you, we are going to do step by step the challenge all together. Let's see if we are able to get funded all together, live with all of you. Okay, Fractal Frenzy is playing with me. I must take this, my friends. I must take it. I must have the room It's above Asia, although, but for the stream purposes, I'm going to take it. Sounds like a blast. It will be an explosion. Boom. It's going to be. Oh, it took it back. Look how important it is to wait for the candle to close. Look. Look, 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 look. Really nice example. Amazing example, to be honest. How important it is to wait. Wait for the candle to form. Why? Because probably now we might see price completely reversing. We hope not, although we hope no. If we want to participate in our second bullet, let me measure a little bit my trade. If I'm going to enter, will be 23 point, 27 point. Okay. How much we have for the Asia? Should I be more aggressive? Nah. I will see where I'm going to enter. I will probably go for lower than 1.5. I usually go for 1.5 because I don't have the room. And also two things that are making me be more passive is that we have already taken the 0.5 standard deviation. We have the 1 standard deviation. The price hasn't went yet. And Asia is really, really close. Really, really close over here. So I'll see. We will see. We will see. We will see. We will see what we're going to do. It's refusing to print. Is that normal? Yes, of course it's normal. Because it doesn't print, because it's not filling all the... Now it printed. It doesn't meet all the criteria not met. Oh, I forgot to press the button. Okay. My stop loss, I will cover this fair value gap over here to be a little bit more aggressive. 20 point stop loss. Okay. And of course, I'm going to go, if I have the room, for a 1.5. I took my second bullet for today. Wish me good luck. I have followed the basic trading plan to the tick. Lol, I'm my own worst jinx. Okay, no worries, my friend, no worries. No worries. We are used to... The first thing that I learned when I began trading was to lose. And I mean it. And I mean completely what I just told to you. The first thing that I learned was to lose. Because this is the reality, we mostly lose. And whoever doesn't understand this will never be able to succeed in trading, unfortunately. Look where price is trying to react. I hope that it is going to react, although. I'm searching for a 30-point move in profit. I hope that it's going to play out. So we can call it a day, a break-even day. It will be, although not a break-even, we will be slightly in profit. This is the reality. Yep, couldn't agree more with you. This is the reality, mate, and I really mean this. because we have the illusion that any trading strategy, because we saw a YouTube video or I saw Alex doing it, that I'm going to win every day. It's trading is not like our normal job, that we go every day to work and we get paid every day that we work. It's not exactly like that. Many of you that have your own shops or you're doing you're not employees, I mean, and you're owners of a business, you know that no one can guarantee you that you're going to make money every day, especially when you're an owner of a business. The same thing, my friends, is trading. That's why we say to everyone that you must be prepared and you must be programmed that you're not going to win every day. Perfect. We have also a second confirmation of price, and very nice. We have aggression. I hope that it plays out. We have the room until Asia, so I hope that we're going to have a winner over here so we can end our day in profits and of course call it a day. I hope that you're all enjoying in general how the live stream is going, and I mean this. As I said in the beginning, trading can be very, very lonely. I'm very blessed that I'm able to do it with all of you, all together. Now look what a reaction it did, really. It went, although this is the why I say how, this is why, my friends, I talked about the one standard deviation in the beginning. Why? Because these two standard deviations okay, are we uploaded? I believe that we had a small disconnection. Is everyone here? Okay, I believe that we are up. Perfect, perfect. Sorry, my friends. Sorry, my friends. I promise that we will do the best we can the next time. Is everyone here? Oh, you're back. Thank you. We were down again, I know. Yes, I see. I see that we had a problem, unfortunately. Are we up again? I don't know what's going on. I hope that we are up again. Okay, okay, perfect, perfect. Because I knew that we would probably have a problem, but I was lucky, I believe. Okay, I'm happy that we are able to continue. I would also let me add my credentials. Give me a sec, please. Okay, I'm back again. I added the account because of the disconnection. I had to add again my account. Let's see if it's going to play out. As I said, we have really high probabilities that price will continue down and go towards our take profit. Let's see what will happen. I'm very, very curious to see what will go on. We are seeing force from price. Let's see if it's going to continue lower. Come on, let's make it happen. Make me happy. Price, please. I know that you can. I know that you are able to make me happy. I love you too. I love you, price. I'm really thrilled that we did this today all together. I loved what we did today. I mean this. Especially for the members that are new in the trading space. Don't forget, my friends, the Earn As You Learn program that we have here in TTF. Also, you are seeing live in front of you how powerful they can be. Are very good indicators we have here in TTF. And I'm really, really happy that I'm able to do this in front of you and to see the truth in front of your eyes with no lies, no hidden mumbo jumbo, nothing, my friends, nothing. I'm so happy. Don't forget, link in the description. Whoever enjoys the live stream, please hit the button, hit the like. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to it. And let's go, baby. Go down. Hit our take profit. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Mr. Price. Let's go. Fractal frenzy, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, it is time for me to go break even. I'm not going to risk any of my capital. Okay, let's see. It's teasing us a little bit over here. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Hooray, hooray. Perfect. Perfect, my friends. Perfecto, perfecto, perfecto. Magnifico, magnifico. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Really nice, really nice, really nice. Really nice. Fractal frenzy, ladies and gentlemen. Fractal frenzy. Technologia. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, as my friend Bear says. Yeah, boom. Boom, shagalaga, boom. This is how we do it, ladies and gentlemen. That's how we do it. Easy, easy. Very, very easy. But you all understood what helped me. Look. Look. Look by yourselves. Look. And look with how much force it's going down. Breaking the Asian DR. We are going down. We are going down, baby. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. I'm really interested what price will do from here. Yes, yes. My target is for sure the 24,923. This is where I believe that price will go for sure. If of course it breaks also the Asian DR, it has so much liquidity over here that it will probably go towards there. Okay. Well, my friends, after an amazing time that I spent all together with all of you, we will, of course, talk again privately at the community. And I will give an appointment with all of you on Friday. We'll open the markets again all together. I hope that we will be able to do this every week and multiple times. I really enjoyed it, and I mean this. It was my honor that you were all over here. See you next time. I would really like to see you all again. See ya. Have a nice trading week. Trade safe, my friends. See you at Discord. See you in YouTube next time. Thank you so much for joining, my friends. Thank you.